taking this guy with me today. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea. Okay, let's see how this goes because I feel like he wants to go in there. Find the frog. No, Blue. No. I don't want him to hook his mouth. You're giving me like a lot of reasons why I shouldn't bring you anymore. What's going on? I'm gonna try the chatterbait that I bought yesterday. Hopefully this dog doesn't hook his mouth trying to catch this. He's dropping the camera. Are you eating the dirt? Stop. No. Officially never bringing him again. This is not what I expected this to be. Please don't come over here. Blue, stop. Relax. You're fine. Blue. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my. At least I know I have a protector next to me. There was this homeless guy on a bike, like on one of those motorbikes, and he was flipping his shit. No, 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 no! You're scaring all the fish away, dude. He's trying to eat my fishing snacks. It has chocolate. You can have chocolate. Note to self: don't bring your dog fishing. I'm fucking soaked, like massively soaked. It's so bad. My sweater is soaked. My vest is soaked. Look at my pants. I am freaking soaked everywhere.